Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 3 of our 28-day gratitude journey. It's 8:25 in the morning here in England, and I'm on my way to work. If you are new to here, know that we are on a 28-day gratitude journey to transform our mindset to attract positivity with simple practices. Alright then, let's get back to the topic. I'm excited about today's practice because it's all about celebrating the magic of relationships in our lives. Always remember, whether it's friends, family, co-workers or loved ones, the people in our lives play a huge role in shaping our happiness. So today, we are focusing on expressing gratitude for those relationships and strengthening the bonds that brings us joy. Alright then, let's get started. Now you must think about the people in your life who have made a positive impact, those who bring you love, support, laughter, or even valuable lessons. Today's practice is simple but powerful. You have to choose 3 people you are grateful for and reflect on the reason why they mean so much to you. So take a moment to picture each person in your mind, and either you can write it down or say out loud what you appreciate about them. For example, you might say, I'm grateful for my best friend because she always listens and make me laugh. Or I'm thankful for my husband because he supports my dreams. Remember, the key here is to focus on the good in your relationships and let those feelings of gratitude grow. If I share one of mine, I'm especially grateful for my work besties. They have been my biggest cheerleaders through all my ups and downs at work. Thinking about their encouragement always fills me with gratitude. So when I focus on what I appreciate about them, actually it strengthens our bonds and makes me value our connections even more. Did you know that expressing gratitude for the people in your life is so transformative? It will not only deepen your relationships but also helps you focus on the love and support you already have. Gratitude shifts your perspective, helping you see the best in others and create more positive interactions. Studies even show that gratitude can improve communication, reduce conflicts, and bring more harmony into your relationships. So here's your challenge for today. Choose 3 people you are grateful for and reflect on why you appreciate them. If you can, take it one step further. Let them know. Send a message, make a call, or even tell in person how much they mean to you. Alright, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow for day 4. Take care. Bye.